So look, y'all. Today we back. You know, I just nursing school and kicking my ass. So look, I ain't got time to get cute. I ain't got time. You know, I'm studying, and so then I got hungry. So then I was like, oh, let me make some chili cheese fries. And then I was like, oh, let me show them how to make some chili cheese fries. So today is new. I got a new cooking video for you. And if you ain't finna watch, then what you got better to do? So I already got my fries in the oven. If y'all see my titties, it's cause I ain't got no bra on. Okay, I'm sorry. So they in there. There's some curly fries. We put them in there for about 20 minutes. I already took my chili out the can and we put it in a bowl. And so now we finna warm it up for. We're finna warm it up for 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes. And so we put it in the microwave. So now that's starting. Waiting on the fries. Let's see what kind of cheese we got. If we ain't got no cheese, I'm gonna be mad because I ain't even looked to see if we had cheese. Wow. We got a little bit of cheese. Let me see if I can find some more cheese. Y'all, making chili cheese fries is so simple. If you don't know how to make no chili cheese fries, then baby, what is your mama teaching you? Alright. I really don't want to put the camera down because I don't want y'all to see my titties everywhere. So like, oh, we got the Velveeta box. So what we gonna do is we're gonna take this big old thing out of here. Like that. And then we're gonna cut a piece. And when the fries come out, we're gonna cut a piece and we're gonna put that cheese on the fries, and then we're gonna put that in the microwave so the cheese can melt. And then we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of this and we're gonna put chili on straight like that. So we waiting on, we got about 9 minutes left on the fries. See how they look. But you know, they gotta be a little hard because once all that stuff get on it, then it's gonna get soft. So I know what I'm doing. I'm just saying. I know what I'm doing. So we still got 9 seconds left. 9, 4, 3, 2. I always stop it at 1 because I hate hearing that beeping noise. Take the top off a little bit. Ooh, look at that. It's ready. I know you can cook the chili if you want to, but it's like pointless. It's gonna come out the same way. Oh, I dropped some on my leg. Okay. It's gonna come out the same way. And why every time I do a cooking video, I look a hot mess? I got a bonnet on or something. And so we just gonna mix it. I know, I'm holding the camera in one hand. And, oh, y'all can't even see. So it's all mixed up. And it's ready. So we just gotta wait on the fries. We got about 9 more minutes. So then I'm gonna get back to y'all when the fries are done. Okay, so I had to take the fries out 3 minutes early because I started to smell them, which means they was trying to burn on me. So we took them out the oven. And so now we finna plate them so that we can put the cheese on them. So, got my plate right here. Got my plate. And then, let me find a forky fork. Okay. So now, Okay, yeah, no, we're not finna do this. Nope. So, I'm finna get my little mitten, whatever you call it. And then, we're gonna pour these on the plate. Okay? Now it's on the plate. We're gonna put this in the water. Let that cool off or whatever. And so now, they can smell like Arby's fries for real. I use the Arby's curly fries, if y'all ain't know. So now we're finna cut a piece of cheese and we finna melt it onto the fries. Honestly, my grandma be keeping stuff in her refrigerator from like years ago. So like, this cheese is like really old and it's hard as a brick. So like, I don't think it's safe to use this. Well, I'm gonna cut to where it's not hard at. Look, if y'all see my titties, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh dang, my phone finna die. So, I'm finna cut. Fuck. See all that? Hard as a rock. You can't even split it. Like, no. So, we got the good cheese. And so now, we finna cut it up a little square. Cause this cheese, it be a little bit, be a lot. So, like this much. Like this much. And then, just gonna set it on top of it. Ooh. Can't lose the fries. We're gonna set on top of fries and then we're gonna put it in the microwave for 2 minutes. For 2 minutes, honey. So we might not even need to add extra cheese because it's like it's gonna be a lot of cheese. So let's do the 2 minutes. 2 minutes. All right, that's in there. And I'm gonna see y'all when the 2 minutes is up. So y'all, I came out the microwave looking like this. Now I don't know why I thought that it was gonna melt the way that I thought it was gonna melt. But this is not how I wanted it to melt. So like, we're gonna have to put it in there for another 2 minutes because no, like this is just, it's not working. Actually, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the chili over it and then sprinkle the other cheese, so maybe the hotness of that will help, you know what I'm saying? Look, I told y'all in the last video, I ain't no expert, okay? Half the time when I cook, I just be experimenting, and that's real. I am not no expert. I do stuff my way. So I'm getting a sprinkle cheese. Look, if this don't come out right, look, I'm sorry. You just gonna have to trust God. So I'm putting it on there like that, and then we're gonna do 2 more minutes. Just 2 more minutes, okay? Okay. All right, y'all. So after 2 minutes, it came out looking like this. And so I don't know what the block cheese under that looked like, but I guess we're gonna find out when we eat it. But yes, y'all, that was the end of that video. I want you all to like, comment, and subscribe. If you do happen to make these chili cheese fries, let me know because I want to see how it turned out for you. This just a basic, easy meal. Like, if you can't make this, then I don't know what to tell you. You know what I'm saying? Show love to my Instagram, show love to my Snapchat, show love to my other videos. And that's it, y'all. It's been real.
You think I'm getting booed up, baby? Oh no, not today. I'm about to bust it out the frame. Whoa. Dick dancing everywhere. I do the ball Johnson. Dick it down, take you around, got your mall hopping.